Welcome, students, to your new course, where you are going to be learning while having fun. My name is Mayra Reyes, and I will be your instructor. In this unit, you will be learning about shopping and prices, clothing and personal items, colors and materials. Very exciting! The following are the objectives. You will be practicing dialogues. You will dramatize buying and selling products. You will be using specific vocabulary like this, that, these, those. And also, you will be comparing prices and sharing shopping experiences. This is the evaluation menu. We are going to be doing activities, quizzes, and tests. I am so excited and look forward to meet you soon. Thank you.